DTX is always a fantastic event for us. You know, we're coming out of an emerging category in terms of cyber asset management, and so it's really great for us to drive awareness in the market. We see a lot of our key kind of buyer personas here, so it's really good to speak to them, you know, face to face and understand the challenges they're facing and, you know, introduce the product to them really. We've had some excellent conversations. We like to book people in for formal meetings if there's a mutual interest there, which, you know, we've got some really great brands that we've been speaking to, so excited to have those follow-up conversations over the next few weeks. But yeah, really good. You know, there's been some excellent speakers on, and I think that's brought obviously some good people down here to speak to us as well. Brand awareness is really important, especially as a new organisation. You know, it's good for us to for businesses to actually see us in the market. But obviously we have to track the ROI, so for us it's, you know, qualified opportunities and hopefully clients that we welcome on board, which, you know, we've always been able to do from these events, and why we continue to come and invest in bigger and better presence here. So yeah, we're definitely ROI focused from that perspective. We like to choose good spots where we can get some presence, and, you know, we do that well in advance to make sure that we've got a really good stand and that we can drive some engagement. So yeah, it's been very good to deal with. Sometimes we do have last minute requests, which I know I've heard through my colleagues. You know, we'll always get a response even if it's sort of late in the evening. We'll kind of get things dealt with, which is obviously important when you're investing in something like this. You can't beat that face-to-face interaction, and there's something about these events that really brings, you know, specifically senior IT leaders and CISOs looking to see what's going on in the market. It's a great way for us to interact with them. So yeah, we'll always be continuing at these events.